Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable notifications from your Android phone on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. Firstly, let's take the phone, then press and hold this Garmin Connect app and click on this info icon. And right here check if the notifications are allowed, and also you would need to allow permissions for this list of apps. As you can see now it is not allowed, so let's change it. Great, and now we would need to open this Garmin Connect app, click on the three dots, then go in Garmin devices, wait a couple of seconds and then select your device on the top of the list and go in the notifications tab. Right here, take a look if the smart notifications are enabled. You can go in general use and see what is set up here for calls, text, apps, and so on. So for example, you can choose not only vibration but also tone by clicking on this switcher. And then also go in during activity and check whether notifications during activity enabled or not. And now everything should work correctly and you will receive all of the notifications. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.